Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to my channel. In this lecture, we will discuss how to create 2D material in Material Studio. So, this is, for example, we have cerium dioxide material, and we want to change its display style. Firstly, okay, now if you want to create 2D sheet of it, so go to build and go to the surface, and it will ask about HKLV view. So for example, we are going to create in 111. But we are interested in 2D, so we should delete these. Now after that, if you are interested in supercell, so creating supercell, so we get the 2D sheet of the cerium dioxide. For you want to optimize it, for that you should build a vacuum slab for it. For example, the thickness of the vacuum is 15 angstrom. Build, so we get the slab of the material for optimization. If you want to calculate the properties, first of all you should optimize this. After optimization, you will get the optimized structure of the cerium dioxide. Okay, so by that you can get the 2D sheet of the materials